Welcome to the first Project Free Solo video walkthrough. Today, we'll be taking a side-by-side look at MediaOcean and Hudson MX. This demonstration will follow the steps of a typical user workflow. We'll point out the key differences as we progress through the following areas: user install and access, client creation, budget controls, campaign creation, and integrations. Let's begin with a look at the installation and login process. Most of us are accustomed to simple one-tap downloads that allow us to quickly access apps that we use every day. With MediaOcean, you can see that not all installations are that simple. MediaOcean requires multiple software installs for each software function before a user is even able to do any work at all. This process is slow and inconvenient. On the other hand, Hudson MX consolidates all of these modules into a single toolkit, accessed via your web browser. Once the software is downloaded, MediaOcean keeps tools siloed in separate apps. While cluttering the user's desktop, this also restricts our overall capacity to sync data efficiently between modules. Where Hudson MX streamlines access with a centralized single login under Okta SSO ID via My Apps. Additionally, Hudson MX is online accessible anytime from any device. With simplified installation and easy access to an all-in-one toolkit, you will save time. Now that we're logged in MediaOcean, we can create a client record using the master data module. Similar to installing and logging in, creating a client profile in MediaOcean is a disjointed process. Finance users must create unique client profiles across multiple media types, even when the media types all belong to the same client. In Hudson MX, users can organize all media types under a single client profile, avoiding tedious and time-consuming profile duplication work. We have successfully created client profiles. Now, let's examine how a user will go about setting budget controls within each system. Most of us may be familiar with MediaOcean's media authorization capabilities, which are limited to digital media. These budget controls do not allow us to prevent overspend situations for other media. Where Hudson MX offers real-time, easy-to-manage insight across all media types with the appropriate budget controls in place. With up-to-date and all-encompassing media authorization information, users can attain client approval for their authorizations across all media and more easily monitor spending. With the authorization framework in place, we're now ready to create estimates and initiate campaigns. Once a user goes through the necessary steps to set up and create a digital estimate in MediaOcean, it takes around 30 minutes before an estimate syncs to the campaign. This delays the speed at which we can launch campaigns. Considering the pace and volume of our workdays, this is a troublesome amount of idle time. Hudson MX offers instant access to estimates once they're created. So, instead of watching the clock, users can immediately input campaign data and begin driving results. In a connected media landscape, our tools must sync with the outside platforms. For the final step of this demonstration, we'll examine MediaOcean and Hudson MX integration capabilities. So let's take a look at an integration platform that many of us use every day: AdWords. In order to transfer data from AdWords into Prisma, MediaOcean users must manually rekey data, a monotonous and downright frustrating use of time. With Hudson MX's superior integration capabilities, users have real-time access and can directly pull data from AdWords. And by automating this copy and paste work, we're more free to focus on more important tasks. Looking back at these side-by-side workflows, we see that Hudson MX outperforms MediaOcean. We can measure time savings in the simplified installation, access, and client creation processes. Budget controls are wider-reaching, flexible, and convenient. Campaign creation and outside platform integration, two formerly time-intensive activities, are now instantaneous. Powerful automation and intuitive design improve not only the key areas we've covered in this walkthrough, but many more. Hudson MX is the modern tool that will simplify and accelerate end-to-end workflows, allowing our people to focus on high-impact, value-driving work. With Hudson MX, we will deliver more value, faster, and with fewer headaches. 2020 marks the start of a more modern way of working across Dentsu USA. By learning and mastering Hudson MX together as partners, we can optimize productivity and drive previously inconceivable outcomes for our brands. Thank you for watching.